Hello, ho ho, and welcome back to Python, and welcome back to FPDF. And yeah, back to our code we created in our previous video. And yeah, as a quick reminder, we created our PDF file, added an image, also added a background image, added kind of a header, and we drew certain bodies like an ellipse, a rectangle, a line, and yeah, we added multi-cell. And what we are gonna do now, we want to add a new page, and in this page we are kinda writing two different texts on the same page, but we are using like a sheet with different columns. We are using first the right and then the left side of the page. And how we are doing that, we learn a new function which is called left margin and right margin. So yeah, there it is, set a left margin. And yes, with left margin we kind of setting the left border. So I mean the free space when we are using multi-cell, for example, there's always by default some space which is left out where nothing is written on, and yeah, we can edit it by adding 200 and PDF point, yeah, the white bar will be left alone. Now let's multi-cell. Let's also add a header. Let's call him header 2 because we are writing on the right side. Let's make the text a little bit longer. By the way, you shouldn't do it like I did here. You should use 3 quotation marks, and yes, by doing that you can, like already in previous videos mentioned, you can make a string with multiple lines. Now let's create our PDF again. And yes, 1 second. So here you can see the PDF file, and as you see, I totally overdid it by using the margin way too much. So let's decrease the value a little bit. Just typing in 110. Let's do it again. Refresh. And yeah, that's more what I wanted to see. Now after that, let's use the default one. Now let's set the right one, because yeah, obviously, because there you can set a left margin, you can set a right margin. Also using the same functions again. And I forgot something. Okay, we still need to use an argument, an integer. So I always do that. Okay. Let's remove the code. So what I forgot, I will add it again. Now let's set the left margin back to default, and let's set the white margin to 110. And yeah, we can copy our entire code, rename the header to header 1, and type in something else like something messed up I dreamt in school was me see a ghost with 3 arms, and what is even more shocking, 2 legs, and the legs had fingers, no toes. Hello, who is reading this has nothing to do. Okay, here's the document again. Let's refresh it. Let's scroll down. And yeah, what I did wrong, I had to reset the cell. So back to our code. And yes, let's use cell again. But yes, now... Oh no, I have a better idea. Because we will need this function anyway when we are going to watermarks. What you want to do when you want to reset the, I called it pointer, you have to save your pointer like save y equals pdf point get, and yes, after you saved your coordinate, you can of course set it like pdf point set, and this is a save. And now let's see. We need to refresh it. There we go. Yeah, now that is what I wanted to see. We had 2 different texts in one document, and yeah, let me just, I guess, if I type something here. Yeah, now he is also using the first line. It was just because I used a multi-line string and didn't type anything in the first line. So now what we can do, we can try to draw lines to make it even more beautiful. By the Okay, so what we are gonna do now, we want to draw a line to make it more beautiful. And yes, let's just do pdf point line, yes. X is pretty simple, starts with 0, y1, x1, not y1 is get, pdf point get y, x2 equals 0, no, equals, I guess it was 220, and y2 equals again pdf point get. Let's run, oh no, not debug, let's run the code. Let's see what we did. Perfect, now we have a line here. Now let's draw also a line in the middle. Again, let's look. This, whoop. Let me just think a little bit. Yes, another line. Now from 0 to, let's say 300, because I don't know, it was 290 and something else, but yeah, let's do 300. And yeah, I guess it was 110. Just let's try. Let's get back to our document. And yeah, I don't know, it's not the middle. Let's just do it with 200. Where did we? Ah, here it is. I mean 100, not 200. And try again. Refresh. Okay, yeah, it's probably 110 or 100. Let's do it with 105. One last time. One. Yeah, this looks better. So now what we just did, we added like a sheet, a column with two different texts. You can even use do it with 4 ones, 6 ones, whatever you want. But yeah, it will get more complicated. So I would recommend just using 2. But yeah. Watermarks is the topic of the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment containing feedback, advice, anything else. See you in the next video. Wish you a great evening, dinner time, night time, breakfast time, whatever time it is. See you and bye bye.